I have x plus 4 is greater than 5 minus 2x. We have to solve this inequality. When we have to solve this inequality, it means we have to find all possible values of x for which this inequality is true. Let me copy first this example. I have x plus 4 is greater than 5 minus 2x. First, I will collect all terms containing x on the left side. So I have x, negative 2, I will move to the left side, will be positive 2. X is greater than, I will move 4 to right side, so will be 5 minus 4. X plus 2x is 3. X is greater than 1. Now I have to divide both sides by 3. So 3 and 3 will cancel, and I have x is greater than 1/3. Now I can draw number line x. Have 0, unit 1, 0, and I have to divide this part to 3 equals pieces, and we have 1/3. Because I have sign greater than, so this 1/3 is not include, and I have greater, so it's going to right side, to positive infinity. So our solution is from 1/3 to positive infinity. Now we can check if it's correct. I will choose number, for example, x equals 2. So let me copy first this inequality. I have x plus 4 is greater than 5 minus 2x. Now I will replace x by 2. So 2 plus 4 is greater than 5 minus 2 times 2. 2 plus 4 is 6, is greater than 5 minus 2 times 2 is 4. 6 is greater than 5 minus 4 is 1. Our inequality is true. It means our solution is correct.